world is my fucking oyster. Nice. Fucking nice. Pump it. My fucking chain. Fuck yeah. Yep. The fuck are we gonna do with this thing now? No oil in it. She ain't got no Earl. Alpha Tank Company. Fuck, this thing's probably old. I don't know what we're gonna do with it. We're gonna do something. Oh, nice. Got a free little piece of fucking scrap. A little beer money action. The scrap funds are running low. We gotta acquire more shit, boys. Man, so many possibilities. Could be a burn pit. Could be a smoker. If you want some crazy fucking diseases or untreatable cancers. Could be anything you want it to be. Yeah, I don't know what the plan is with this fucking thing, but it absolutely doesn't even have a hope of battery voltage in it. It's just chock full of fucking mouse shit. Right on the seat, look at them, they were steering. This thing, yeah, it's stone dead. Let's see what we got in the battery box here. Anything now? Nope. Oh, so we gotta put it on charge for a little bit. Let's see what she do. What have we got in here? Bunch of shit. Oh shit! Yeah, gravity does that. Whoa, look at that, Bad Rider. Still holding there. Oh yeah. Never a problem with this one. Fucking Magnum, baby. Let's get some power from yaw to yaw. Yeah, we got some chargage. If they don't reach, it's gonna suck. Sick. Get this heavy duty, John. All right, what the fuck? Come on. Look at that thing. Left the ground plug right in it. That's how you know it stays grounded. Because you always leave the ground plug in it all the time. You never have to worry about it. Ow! The fucking ground plug is sharp. Owie! Alright, it's time for you to come out of there, buddy. See ya. What do we got? No juice? No juice? Oh yeah. We're on. Let's get this one going. I don't know what this does. I don't really care, to be honest. Never done it. 2 battery chargers going. Drawing all the fucking juice. Probably getting shit hot, gonna melt everything. Don't care. Oh fuck. 14 volts, buddy. Got the old brain bucket in here. Fucking nice. What a pile of shit. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Burning all the fucking diesel. got juice? Oh. I don't know if we got juice. Yeah, I got sparks coming from that. Yep. Fucking A. Alright, it's been too long. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. She might need a sniff of the laughing gas. Oh, fuck. We're making progress. Holy shit, that's a smoky bitch. Alright, she's gonna get a little fucking canned glow plugs. Alright, let's hit it. Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me. Nope. Fuck me. What a pile of shit. Nothing. Oh my god. This fucking thing is falling apart as it sits. I think this thing has had enough. Oh, we're all fucking types of hot in here. Good deal. Well, boys, today is tomorrow, and this thing's been sitting on the charger all night. No, I don't know, what is that fucking, what did it rain? Oh, I guess it rained. Nice. Well, nice. Put that on race mode, and we're gonna give her. Did a whole lot of cranking and smoking, but didn't fire up. Let's see what she does. Yeah, a little fucking CRC. Oh yeah, right in the mouth. What do we got here, boss? Oh, fuck yeah. We're pissing. Man, this thing is just filled to the fucking brim with mouse shit. We're fucking smogging this place. with this giant piece of shit? This fucking thing. There she goes. My life wouldn't be complete without more shit. This thing fucking rules. All right. No, nothing? Nice. Oh yeah, I forgot you gotta fucking stall it out. The brakes work. Man, this thing's fucked. Get up there. There she goes. We're just making noise now. That's her. I just got to do something with it now. Fuck yeah, brother.